Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. Janmashtami is just round the corner, so another reason to prepare a sweet. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of a coconut barfi. Now coconut barfi can be made in many different ways, using freshly grated coconut or using the frozen coconut or desiccated coconut. Now the recipe I'm showing today is sort of an instant one using desiccated coconut. So this one gets done pretty quickly. In less than 10 minutes, you have your barfi ready. So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. To make the coconut barfi, use a heavy bottom kadai, so that works better in terms of retaining heat as well as ensuring the cooking process is even. So we need desiccated coconut, milk and condensed milk is what we are using as the sweetener here. Keep your kadai on low heat and add the desiccated coconut powder into this. To this, let's add condensed milk. And the milk. Mix it together. And now you can increase the heat. To this, let's add some ghee. If the desiccated coconut powder that you get from the store is a little coarse, then you can always pulse it a couple of times in your mixture to make sure it is a little finer. I mean, you don't need to make it really powder-like, but then instead of a coarse desiccated coconut, a finer one works better for this recipe. The excess moisture has to be evaporated for this barfi mix to be ready. So just make sure you keep stirring it. See, slowly it starts coming together like a lump. And if you press it, you can see it sort of sets like this. At this stage, you can add some cardamom powder for flavoring. So the barfi mix is ready now. To set the barfi, you can grease a plate and set it on that. Or, like I'm doing, you can use a baking tray. Just line it with parchment paper and then set it on this. So because this is deeper, you need a parchment paper or a butter paper under this, just to make sure it's easier to lift up the pieces. Let's add some chopped nuts on top. So I'm using a mix of cashews, pistas and almonds. So just press this also into the barfi mix so that it sets together. Before you put it into the refrigerator for setting, just make the shapes as you wish. So you can just cut it with a knife so that it's easier once it's set to take out the pieces. So I'm going with rectangular pieces here. You can cut it into diamonds or squares, whatever you wish. This goes into the refrigerator for a couple of hours till it's set properly. Now the coconut barfi made like this doesn't become as hard and crunchy like the coconut barfi which you make using freshly grated coconut. So this is more of a softer barfi. So I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and would definitely try it out. Wish you all a happy Janmashtami.